Welcome to Mobility Minute at the Enterprise Mobile Hub. I'm Community Manager Joni Wexler. Today I'd like to talk about mobility and ease of use. On this topic, I'm starting to feel a little bit like Andy Rooney these days. You probably remember Andy from all the curmudgeonly diatribes he used to deliver at the end of 60 Minutes on CBS for several decades. I'm feeling a little curmudgeonly like Andy. Now, I realize we've all become pretty spoiled with the amount of computing power and communications capabilities that we have in our pockets, but we're also becoming mentally exhausted. At this point, users, like me, we just want things to work. We don't want to have to think too hard about how to get in and out of various applications on our smartphones, or how to avoid spending 20 minutes to create a two-word text because fat fingering or the auto-correction spell checkers get in the way. Users accept or reject new ways of doing things based on how easy they are to do. If it's too tough, they simply won't do them. Mobile technology has raised the bar for how quickly we should be able to respond to someone or put our hands right on information, and we seem to feel compelled to live up to that bar. But let's be honest, the human brain has become the network bottleneck. The tech we use needs to account for that and give us a break, mask all the complexity and power behind the curtain. I know, easier said than done, but newer interfaces, such as the one introduced in BlackBerry 10's new mobile operating system, seem to at least be taking the human anatomy factor into account. There are swiping and gesturing motions that allow you to avoid some of the error-prone typing on small devices and having to flip back and forth between applications with a button in the middle. Once you get the hang of it, it all becomes pretty natural. I hope work like this continues to make things easier. Everyone in the mobile ecosystem plays a role here in terms of ease of use, from the device makers to app developers to wireless network operators and mobility management software companies. The overall user experience is only as smooth as the kludgiest link in the chain. Intellectually, I give a ton of credit to all the tech wizardry that has shrunk the functions that used to occupy a whole data center into something that I can fit in my pocket and carry around. But I still want it to be easy. I know I'll reach a milestone when I've quit fighting the urge to just get back to my computer screen so that I can just do what I need to do and do it fast with a mouse and a real keyboard. Industry, thanks for listening. Again, I'm Joni Wexler.